All right, so Steven's got us running. We're gonna take it over there, hit the two-step a couple times, and test that out, and test the clutch. Jamie just came rolling in with the beater. So we are cranking our way, getting ready for IFO. All right, we're getting the beater out, but we had some friends show up out here, and I gotta show you this. These guys are coming out to Bristol too, and man, this is crazy. Absolutely nuts, brother.
I figured you'd appreciate it.
Yes, very much. Holy crap, what do you got turning the tires?
Well, just a little Cummins in there.
Oh my gosh.
Big F550 rear end.
It's amazing.
Thank you.
This is incredible. How's it drive? The wander a little bit?
Not too bad. Not too bad.
That is awesome.
It'll run 75 and 80 with this setup.
Did you guys pull up the Wyotech and they were like, what?
Yeah, oh yeah.
They knocked the whole school come out.
I bet.
Yeah, yeah.
It's incredible. And you got AC.
Yep. Yeah,
I mean,
just
it's
fixed
got
that.
everything.
We just fixed that for this trip. Figured it'd be a little cooler up here, but
Yeah. That is incredible. I can't believe this. What size tire is this thing?
it's a 53.
53.
Yeah.
And it looks so right.
Yeah. It's actually sagging a little bit because of the tongue weight on it, but
Man, we got to see this thing on race week.
I want to do a race week. I'd really like to do Rocky Mountain race week.
Yeah, it fit right in. It is cool. Yeah, that's cool. Just picked up this thing, huh?
Yeah.
What's gonna...
This is actually going on a 2019 Duramax that was wrecked. It was a wrecker. And the wrecker got wrecked, so the body got trashed. So we're gonna put this over onto that with a Duramax. And
That is cool.
this was a complete dump truck yesterday.
Oh, really? You guys cut it off?
It was a little heavy.
We had to start shaving.
Start shaving? Yeah, I'd say you shaved it.
Yeah, it was a little heavy, so we took the dump bed off of it first and then drove it down the interstate. And it's just too much weight for the tires, so it still wanted to move around about 65. Well, the car will run 75 and 80, no problem. So we come back, cut the frame off, because all we needed was a cab front end.
Okay, we gotta back up. You go 80 miles an hour in that thing?
I've been 100 in that.
Oh my God!
Yeah,
That
we
is
did
incredible.
The tires kind of backwards on that thing.
They are backwards. Oh, that's cool.
It's got 4,000 pound or 4,000 RPM governor springs. Got the fuel plate mod and then a stage 1 turbo, which I'm not real sure what makes it a stage 1. Probably got like a wicked wheel or something like that.
Yeah, probably just some wheel.
So it makes about 300, 350. It's nothing spectacular.
And you just made a little square tube frame and put the chassis on it.
Yep. Yep. The
Shawn Cross.
From the firewall back, it's factory Grand Marquis frame.
Okay.
I cut it off up here because of the Cummins.
Yeah.
It was just
It was simpler.
big, and I've got the engine sitting so far back, it's got that stupid wiper cowl thing that hangs out. And so I had to go down with the engine and all that. The factory frame was going to be hacked up anyway.
I feel really high. It's cool. Yeah, that's incredible.
It's a big old heavy tire.
It is awesome.
Yeah, the tire weighs like 350 pounds.
Wow.
And then it had military 20-inch bead locks on it, which were 165 pounds.
Wow.
And so I called up JTX Forge because they're in our town, and talked with them about building me a custom set of wheels, and
They knocked them out.
Oh yeah, yeah, they killed it on the wheels.
They really did. Yeah, this is incredible. That is so cool. Thank you, Shawn. That was cool. All right, we're gonna go ahead and test the two-step in the clutch. see if we need to make any adjustments. Felt fine?
Yeah, felt good.
So maybe that stuff was just hot or something.
Something.
But is the adjustment,
It felt fine.
is it still close to the top or doing, because it
No,
should be.
It was, I don't know, it's hard to explain what it was. But it wasn't very high when it actually started.
So maybe we do need a master. I'm just worried it's gonna do to you, you know?
Yeah.
All right, Shawn's already getting ready to stab her up. All right. You're good. I can help with whatever.
This one's just heavy. Yeah,
oh, I know.
Toss this one up like you.
Oh, I have already. Remember sick week? I tossed this one up like that. It is way heavier though.
We're okay. Keep going. Yeah, hold on, check. I'm your support here. I got it. See, one pump. Okay, that was a little much. But that's okay. Alright, boys.
We'll get the trans
I probably don't have one.
back in here. And we just need to get her in the dowels and we'll be closed up. So, doing pretty good. Alright, sensor didn't fix it. Still just every now and then does it. And
It's like all the time now.
the Honda, the speed sensor just, you see it.
It moves, it runs all the way to 60 or 70.
Okay, so we got some noise. Ground's good.
Yeah, so I've got one here, and I've got that one over there. That's what it's always had.
But you're seeing like the speed like flash up.
Oh yeah, it bounces on the dash, it flies up in the...
What about it being on this side of the silicone gasket? Will that have a difference to
I mean,
do with
that could be,
ground?
that is what I move on a lot of people's.
Yeah, but you could go straight to
can
the
try it.
water pump bolt.
Hello?
Yeah, we just try it.
I mean, out of shits and giggles. I've seen it create problems on other vehicles.
Yeah, we can sure try it. All right, so now we got Aaron's motor. We gotta toss it in. You know, you've been helping with all our stuff. We gotta help knock this thing out. So we're gonna jack the car up, slide it underneath, and then just lift her on up. And we'll get this thing running in just a few.
Tilt it this way.
Okay, so Aaron has put a motor in this thing a few times. Always does it from the top, so he's kind of mind blown right now that we bring it up this way. But Integras and Civics, this is the easy way. EFs and Accords, yeah, from the top. But this is gonna work this time. Okay, so
You got some crazy guys here.
come on up.
Coming up.
Super easy, dude. Okay, push forward. Up. Push forward. Up.
Getting the back mount hooked
All right.
up.
Push forward. Forward.
You're tilting pretty good.
Yeah, we're gonna up just a little bit. Forward.
I got no forward.
Which way?
Huh?
Which way?
Yep. Is it
We just gotta twist. 'Cause when it's come up.
Sing it, you gotta do the twist, Brent.
Come on, baby. Let's do the twist. Yep, right here. These studs need to just be under those. And then we're golden, pony boy.
You got the vacuum?
All right, put those down. Up a little bit, Jim. A little bit more. Give me a nut.
More.
It's threading. Up. Yeah, up. There. Well, this doesn't need jacked or nothing. You can just lift this mount. Alright. Easy, Aaron. Look. One jack. Oh, yeah. The toe jumped out. Scared the tar out of me. Huge shout out to our friend at Spooling Up Performance, getting us this merch. This is awesome. These turned out really cool. Check out his YouTube channel. He's always hard at it and killing it with the Mazdas. Yeah. It's awesome, man. All right, so we've got Aaron's car all done. The Beater's loaded up. I think Steven's car's loaded up. I don't know, did they load Goofy's yet?
Not yet.
Not yet. So this one is ready to fire up, and looks good, man. Did a good job. Found out why the jump box was dead.
Yeah.
Wires came out of the eyelet.
Yeah.
I mean, that's shop life. You're always fixing something.
Yeah. Even your jump box.
Back and get into the table.
Oh yeah, I just heard it load down. I don't think it was there. See, now you're buzzing hard.
Yeah, now I need to get it.
Yeah. Yeah, you were not loaded down at all, but I'll still get the laptop. Man, that thing looks good. We're ready. It's a double primer probably or something.
That Ignite Red's been in there for a while.
Should be alright.
We haven't been.
Got oil pressure gauge and stuff.
Yeah, it's on.
You got a filter on it?
Yep.
Is the VTEC head plugged?
I got pressure.
Aaron, was this on a VTEC motor or?
It was on a VTEC motor. You'd never had a little.
Dang it.
Honey.
Well, we gotta plug this VTEC hole.
Yeah, but we're almost there.
Yep.
We figured this out about 10 minutes ago.
Yep, and head's already out. It's already getting tapped and plugged right there.
Yep.
And plugged right there.
I need a blower, Steve-O.
We need a blower. Do we want to take VTEC off? Just check it. Metal shakers.
Take the VTEC off and check the screen. Is that what you're saying?
Yeah.
Yeah, might as well.
Okay.
It's a good point.
Yeah, get to doing that. Yeah.
Go team. You gotta just make sure you get that tightened in past the deck. So Shane's pulling the VTEC solenoid. Just make sure the screen don't have any metal from us tapping that. Oh, right in the
can, dude.
See how majestic he looked right there?
Yeah.
It looks good.
Hair just flowing in the wind. Playing the old screen.
Yep, looks good. There you go.
Other side, all right?
I don't think you need 780, Aaron.
Just so everybody knows, this is Brent editing the videos for you.
Yep, that's him.
He can't even hear us.
Nope.
Look at him, he's got his mouth covered, his feet crossed. He's just living life.
Living it.
Living.
That's good for the higher one. In steps, guys.
Overkill.
Literally.
My other one's tiny.
Check that one.
Click. Click.
And we just leave
Click.
it at 30. You know?
Boom.
Good.
Click, click, boom! What song is that?
Click, click, boom.
Click, boom!
Round 2. Prime it twice.
Twice prime.
That's cool. Ready to rock.
Yeah, buddy.
Primo's garage doors.
Right here.
Yeah, right there.
See that, boss?
Yeah?
You don't think you need to roll it, do you?
I don't think so.
I don't think so either.
I am ready to go.
Guys, gonna go on a ride. Ready? A ride of a lifetime. It might be dark. Let's go. This is what it's like. I'm sorry. This is what it's like to go on a ride with me. I'm sorry if you can't see things because you're in the dark. So I'm running. I'm on PFI right now. This is what it's like to go on a race. Run. Now we are back, and that's what it's like to go on a run.